What's up, YouTube? It's Labor Day weekend. Beautiful Saturday. This is the first time I'm back on the Ninja 400 since I rode the ZX-6R and the Z900RS, and I miss it. I love this bike. It's so comfortable compared to the ZX-6R. It's not as hunched over, and look, on regular roads I'm doing the exact same things I was doing on that Ninja ZX-6R. So fun. I love this bike. Love it, love it. What more do you need? Look, I'm not doing 150 on the highway like a lot of you guys that I watch on YouTube. I mean, that looks so fun, but I just don't have the balls, man. I'd rather do that on the track. Man, such a beautiful, beautiful day. But I'm not going to be upgrading anytime soon or selling this bike. No way, no way.